polymer prices are skyrocketing. The small scale industry, it is very difficult for to absorb. So they know where to get this material. See, the plastic is getting very negative name. I think plastic is a wonderful material and that everybody knows about it. Everybody needs plastic and we cannot survive without a plastic. So plastic is going to grow. See, this war has created a havoc in the plastic industry, but that is also creating a problem to us because our polymer prices are skyrocketing. And polymer prices are skyrocketing is not an only issue, but it is skyrocketing very rapidly. And the most important point is that the price is getting increased every day. So the small scale industry, it is very difficult for to absorb day to day increase in the price. If we are increasing price gradually, which is a part of our business, that price goes up and down as per the market, and as a small scale industry we absorb it and we also get benefit out of it. But in this abnormal time, this is very difficult for us to sustain due to this very high price. See, raw material is coming from all over the world, but the problem is the feedstock. The problem is coming from naphtha and crude oil is coming from the Gulf countries, and PSU also facing a problem to produce this polymer because of the unavailability of this product. I don't know about where to source this, but the government of India is more capable and understanding where to source this. And this private company and PSU companies are the champion of this polymers, so they know where to find some solutions to this. I would say they will face the severe margin constraints. The reason is behind this. All the companies, it is very difficult to increase the price immediately. There is a system in all FMCG or big companies that there is a system, SAP system and everything. There are hierarchy to pass these prices. So it takes its own time. So if I correct the price today, if in the company correct the price today, tomorrow again there will be increase in the price. So that is not possible for even the FMCG company to increase the price day to day. So I increase today 10 rupees and they will agree, and next day tomorrow again a 10 rupees. So it is very difficult, and in these circumstances it is very difficult for small scale industry or even a big industry to sustain this. See, suddenly the 50% price is increased. So the liquidity crunch is bound to be there. One thing is that if it's 100 to 150, so the almost 50% price is increased. Second, on 50% also 18% GST you have to pay. It is very difficult, and the bankers are these days are very strict about their terms and conditions. So they cannot give like previously to TOD or like this. They cannot give like this. So it is extremely difficult for even to get the cash from the bank on this kind of very bad circumstances. I would see that it is not going to get difficult for them. I will see the closer also. There will be a lot of job will go for this, and the way it has gone fast, it will be very difficult to recover very soon out of this. If everything is normalized tomorrow, it will take another 3 months to be normal again. It is very difficult time for all this, though we say something, everybody facing the problem. This kind of problem cannot be encountered with a quick solutions. All the think tank has to sit down and find out some alternatives so that they can move forward. I think I see as a temporary phase. I personally don't see another 15 more than 15-20 days to war continue. Plastic industry is growing almost 15% per annum. So I don't see any reason that it will be a break into it. but there will be a little constraints. I said there will be a turmoil for 3 months, minimum 3 months, and that will be recovered sooner or later. I would say two things first. First example is Government of India. Though the crude price has gone so much, they have not increased the petrol diesel prices. Same thing, they should incentivize something like, or they should give a GST reduction from 18% to 1 to 5%. They should also find out some way which way this MSME can survive tomorrow, so that they will not have the impact. And most important thing, they should somehow create a mechanism that PSU or private company doesn't increase the price every day, but not before 15 days. Earliest is the 15 days. See, the plastic is getting very negative name. I think plastic is a wonderful material and that everybody knows about it. Everybody needs plastic and we cannot survive without a plastic. So plastic is going to grow. Only the point is that negativity should remove from the system. The problem is littering rather than we are giving the problem to the plastics. We should not litter. If I go to USA and I take out some wrapper and put in my pocket, but if I come to India, I throw it on the road. So that littering should go, and the government is to incentivize. If rack pickers carry something, they should be incentivized. If they will 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 5 kilo, 10 kilo, they will get. Government will give incentive to them. So this way, the recycling will increase, sustainability will increase, and the plastic industry will grow.